My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Hyundai Ioniq. This vehicle has done just over 39,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers and a keyless ignition. On the screen we have key features such as phone connection, navigation, EV, vehicle, voice recognition and blue link. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. This vehicle also comes with heated seats on either side, as well as a variation different driving modes to choose from. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.